Okay. Senior grammar school. Any other school? Any other school that is coming, please write their name and send to me. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You are most welcome to the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, Lagos State Public Service Chapter, Catch Them Young program. We're going to start our programs in earnest and gentlemen, because we want to quickly run through the programs, and we are conscious of time and conscious of the fact that you may still need to return to your respective schools, and it's almost closing time. So we don't want to take much of your time. So we are going to run through our programs very quickly. This afternoon, I want to specially recognize the school that are here present now. When you hear the name of your school, you rise, you can wave your hands, or you bow to signify your presence here. We have here this afternoon Bagada Senior Grammar School. You are welcome. Please, let's put hands together for them. We also have Agidingbi Senior Grammar School. And we have here this afternoon Babs Fafunwa Millennium Senior Grammar School. We also have in our midst Grace School. And we have Omole Senior Grammar School. You're welcome. Also here seated this afternoon are pupils or students from National College, Bagada. And we also have students from Okpebi Senior Grammar School. And finally, as at this time, we have Okeira Senior Grammar School. You are all welcome. As other schools arrive, we'll recognize their presence. The next item on the agenda, please let us rise for national anthem and Ican anthem. Thank you. Mr. Mike.
Standing stronger in the morning, building our waves together. Streams of the mountain, we are striving to attain. And thank you that we share. To be so safe. Since you touched our mountain, on Nigeria. No like it, no like it. Your accuracy reaches. We all your integrity.
Please, let's be seated. It will be appropriate for us to start the main agenda of this afternoon by inviting God to our midst, by having the opening prayer. So for the opening prayer, we'll go through the third stanza of the national anthem. Mr. Mike, overs. Please let us rise for opening prayer.
Nigeria may be blessed. Thank you.
Thank you. Please be seated. The next item on the agenda is to invite important dignitaries in our midst to the high table. The first person that we want to invite to the high table is the chairman of Ican, Lagos State Public Service Chapter, in the person of Mrs. Florence Titilayo Modupe Akishola, FCA. Please let us put hands together for her. That is the chairman of Ican, Lagos State Public Service Chapter. You can do better. You can do better. Thank you very much. I pray that very soon you two will become FCA. That is fellow chartered accountants. The next person I also want to specially invite to the high table is the immediate past chairman of Ican, Lagos State Public Service Chapter, in the person of Mrs. Adenike Musiat Akinola, FCA. That's the immediate past chairman of the chapter. You can do better. You are welcome. And also to be invited to the high table is the central bank of our chapter, the person who releases fund for this program. That is our financial secretary, in the person of Mrs. Penyitola Abdullah Roji, FCA. Please, let's do better so that you can collect honorarium at the end of the program. You are welcome, ma'am. Thank you very much. After the introduction of special guests to the high table, we want to go to the next item on the agenda, which is welcome address by the chairman of the chapter, Mrs. Akinshola Florence Modupe Titilayo, FCA.
Good afternoon, everybody. You're all welcome. So I want to recognize the schools that are around, especially the first school. Which is the first school that came? Bagada Senior Grammar School. Abi, did I get it right? Thank you for keeping to time and for coming so early. Thank you so much. God bless you. And thank you all for coming. So, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, my esteemed teachers, and our bright students, on behalf of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, Lagos State Public Service Chapter, I am honored to welcome you to this program, Catch Them Young program. You're welcome. Today, we gather to inspire and nurture the next generation of accounting professionals. We are excited to share our passion for accounting and its limitless opportunities with you, our students. As secondary school students, you are at a pivotal stage in your academic journey. The choices you make now will shape your future. We believe that accounting is rewarding and a challenging profession that offers a wide range of career paths for you. Through this program, we aim to, number one, introduce to you the world of accounting. Number two, to provide guidance on Ican examination processes for you. Number three, to share success stories from professional accountants. And number four, to offer you mentorship and support whenever you need. We're going to give you some of our phone numbers, which you can always call whenever you need to ask questions, you are challenged in one way or the other, whenever you are writing your exams, or maybe you just need explanation to some questions. You can call those numbers, would attend to you. We are committed to helping you to discover your potentials and to make informed decisions about your future. To our students, we say to you to embrace this opportunity and ask questions, learn and have fun today. To our teachers and our partners, we express our gratitude for your support. You are now our partners, the teachers. You are our partners, in leading these students. So we say we say thank you for your support. So let us work together to cultivate the next generation of accounting leaders. Thank you, and let the program begin.
Thank you, ma'am. Please let us put another round of applause for the chairman of the chapter, Mrs. Florence Titilayo Modukwe Akinshola, FCA, for that wonderful word of encouragement and speech. While the program was going on, we have the arrival of the following schools. Please, when you hear your name, rise for recognition. Immaculate Heart Comprehensive High School. You're welcome. We also have Ikeja Senior High School, Ikeja. You're welcome. And finally, we have Mbari Mbayo Secondary School, Jibo Uyaba. You're welcome. The next item on the agenda is in tandem with what the chairman of the chapter has just said, that we are going to take you through mentorship for Ican program. So I want to call on Mr. Ayodele Oke Aminu, FCA, to introduce our students to Ican ASWA program. Mr. Ayodele Oke Aminu, please come forward. Mr. Ayodele Oke Aminu is also a fellow chartered accountant. Please put hands together for him. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ambali, FCA. Thank you so much. I want to begin by thanking the 15th chairman of the chapter, Ican, Lagos State Chapter, for the opportunity given to me to handle this segment. And of course, I also want to thank the principals of the school here present for doing us that honor, releasing you to us to listen to what we are about to tell you, the knowledge that we are about to share with you. And of course, one of the holy books says, my people lack what? When you lack information, you don't have knowledge. And if you don't have knowledge, you are what? Deformed. Today, Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria is introducing to you a beautiful career path in accounting profession. And I also want to tell you the technicals. If you are ready, I'm ready. I also want to share with us today that many of you here seated are commercial students. And of course, in commercial students, you know the subjects that you normally take. Which one of them is the almighty accounting, economics, and so many others too. But before I proceed, my chairman, sir, please permit me to also introduce the representative of District 6 to the high table. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please put your hands together I say welcome Mrs. Oloruyomi M.O., representing District 6. Thank you so much. You can come to the I table. All right, we are starting. The time I'm giving is just 40. You are welcome, ma. Over there, ma. It's just 40 minutes. I also want to welcome all of you. I think I will have to calm down because we are going to do this work together. Are you with me? All right. Also, the teachers present, we thank you. God bless you for releasing your students to us. Yes, as you can see, you are here seated in the hall of Ican, Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, but in particular, Lagos State Public Service Chapter. Why are you here? You are here to chart a career path for yourself. Already, when you were in JSS3, yes, before you move to SS1 in your school, your principal or your counselor, if I'm correct, will look at your results and place you properly in the class you're supposed to be in, SS class. And of course, for all of you seated here, I think they've checked your results before they put you in commercial classes. Okay? And of course, like I said, there are so many subjects in this class: economics, accounting, business studies, and the likes like that. But we are here to tell you the most important career that you need to chart. Look at the souvenir given to you. I will love that you check it. You'll see an exercise book. That is the exercise book I want us to use for this interaction. Okay? Whatever jottings you want to have, kindly do it there, because that jotter in your hand, for us here, it's an asset. Is what? Okay, you are looking at me when I say asset. Asset is not machine, right? Assets are machine. Assets are furnitures like that. But something that you cherish so much, it's also an asset to you. By the time you finish this class, that exercise book that you are going to jot on today, don't throw them away. Carry them along with you because it is an asset to you. We welcome you to Institute of Chartered Accountants, Lagos State Public Chapter. See, look at what we are going to discuss today. We take you through introduction, which the MC has done part of it. We look at coverage of ATS, WA examinations, diets, tuition centers, and benefits of ATS, WA. Okay, have you heard of that name before? ATS. Have you heard of that acronym before? What about we here? Okay, here. Are you just crossing the years, sir? Are you sure? What about here? You've heard of ATS before. Can I ask you then, my brother, you've heard of it before? What is ATS? All right, let's go. Never mind. All right. So that's what we're going to discuss. Look up, everybody. I call this introduction Ican ATS WA. And this is a special acronym for Accounting Technician Scheme West Africa. Accounting Technician Scheme West Africa. There are other examinations handled by Ican. But what we are introducing you today, it's ATS WA, that is Accounting Technicians, which is meant for your caliber. I hope all of us here are in either SS2, SS3. Is there anybody in SS1 here? Anybody in SS1? Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful. So this is a career path we want to take you through. ATS, it's Ican examinations. And look at the WA there. The WA there stands for what? West Africa. That is, by the time you register for these examinations, you finish the examinations, you'll be issued with a certificate that can take you through not only Nigeria, but through West Africa. Can you put your hands together for Ican? Okay, so that is what we are discussing today. I have the honors to tell you that many of us that you see here, or others that are, elsewhere, chartered accountants, have also passed through these examinations. You will see the beauty as we go on, you see the importance and benefits of this examination. If it is not meant for you, we will not have invited you. Rather than wasting your time after your secondary schools, okay? This is the best exam for you to take. Are you with me, my people? Let's move on. Like I said, coverage of ATSWA. ATS certificate is widely recognized in Nigeria and through West Africa sub-region. That is, by the time you finish the examinations, the certificate that you'll be carrying, okay, just like WAEC, I guess, which covers West Africa too. This is a beautiful certificate that you also be carrying after writing the examinations. All right. Can you see what I have on the board? ATSWA exams. In these exams, there are 3 stages. There are what? What do I say, sir?
He said
I'm talking to my colleague here. How many stages do we have?
3 stages.
Yeah, we have 3 stages that you have to write. The first one, we call it what? The second one, and the third one. You can see that all of us are already accountants. Okay? The first exam you are going to write under this exam body is called ATS1. Ladies and gentlemen, as I'm looking at your faces, for the principal to have chosen you among many in the school, it shows you are a great ambassador. Put your hands together for yourself. And what I'm seeing, thank you. What I'm saying is that all of you here seated, this is what we call eba. Do you know eba? Something that you eat, or let me say for some of you that are tush, let me say jollof rice. Let me say dodo. You like eating dodo, right? Hello, Indomie. Thank you, the Gen Z. This is just like your Indomie. You eat them up. And why do I say so? Let me go to the next slide. Look at ATS1. Is there anything new to you here? Huh? Let's chorus the papers that we have there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is there anything new to us here? There's nothing new to you. Maybe you want to say the business law, but in your economics, in your commerce, you will still find elements of business law there. Am I correct to say that? So these are the papers you write in ATS1. Don't forget, we said how many stages? 3. Ladies and gentlemen, let me bring your mind down. You might be hearing from outside or elsewhere, hey, I can. Oh, I can. Ican is not that profession that is so tough or difficult to pass. I can bet it with you. Last year, you remember? We had this same program. But I'm happy to inform you that at least the one we've heard, a boy that came that was wearing suits, started these exams. The result came out. They wrote the exam September. And the result came out October. Ladies and gentlemen, this boy came here as you are here today and cleared all this paper. Put your hands together for the guy, even though you don't know him. The same way you are clapping for somebody that you don't know, they will clap for you too. He cleared this paper because these are the things, my teacher, am I correct to say that? These are what you've already taught them. Abi? Am I saying your mind too? Am I saying your mind? Yes. These are the things, subjects that your teacher has taken you. But never mind. Despite the fact that you have done them in school, there is still sukkah for you. It's going to be, I call it Indomie. I call it Eba. You call it Indomie. You call it jollof rice. Yes, they are going to be jollof rice for you because you will hit them up. By the time you start the exam, it's just going to be a repetition because I trust my teachers here. They've done justice to this. Is that okay? Can I move on? You now know the subject that you're going to write in ATS 1. All right, let's move on then. All right. Can we also chorus the papers we have in ATS 2? Is there any subject that is new to you here too? I didn't get that. Quantitative analysis. Is there anyone new to you, my sister? That quantitative analysis. At this stage, my people, at this stage, you are elevating. You are coming like that to be like the people on the high table. Because the quantitative analysis that you are seeing there, it's going to broaden your horizon, broaden your knowledge. When you hear anything quantitative is actually talking about, those figures, analysis. You'll be able to analyze data. You're able to analyze information. Okay? But I'm still telling you, it's still going to be what? I love this class. Thank you. And don't forget when we say Indomie, we are not talking about the Indomie you eat at home. We are just likening it with that Indomie. That is going to be very easy. Are you with me, my people? Are we together? So those are the topics that you have in ATS 2. There is something good. When we get to the benefit, you will see there's something good that is coming. Put your minds on the subject. Financial accounting, information technology, of course, all of you, you are IT compliant, whether we like it or not. Are you not IT compliant? Let me, I can say, make jest of myself a little. As I'm standing here, maybe because of work schedule or whatever, I find it difficult to even operate my TV. You are saying, I find it difficult. We don't say, hey, Omoy, oh yeah, give me, my favorite is a rice. Give me a rice. And before you know it, these children, even your phone. I had issue with my phone sometimes. I wanted to do something. I could not do it for over a week. I gave it to everybody to do. My son came back from holiday. I said, oh, my boy, look at this phone. I don't know what is. The boy collected the phone. My daddy. It's just 2 touch. Take your phone. So I'm telling you that information technology is still something that you know already. Talking about computer and the likes. Are we together now? All right. So look at ATS 3. And this ATS 3 is the final papers, final stage, final exams that you are going to write. And this one is what? Let's chorus this again. I want to ask the same question. Is there any subject that is new to you here? Which one is new to you? Why will you say cost accounting is new to you? Principle of? Okay, that's for you on this role. My professional colleague on this role, which one is new to you here? Okay, you are saying the same thing with them. And my colleagues here, which one is new to you? Are you saying their minds too? That's the new, well, if you say so. Principle of auditing and assurance. As a chartered accountant, you also be trained in the subject or in the course of auditing. And that's when you become an auditor. My people, there's money there. When you audit, what do? You go to companies to examine their books with a view to making sure that whatever they have in their books, it's in line with the law, with the statutes. Okay? And like that, it's still going to be what? Indomie. And it's going to be so cheap for you. Then the management, of course, is not new to you. And cost accounting. Yes, I thought you would say cost accounting. There are two words there, cost and accounting. Accounting is still there. So by the time you are doing your cost accounting, of course, it's different from financial accounting. Look at this building. Whether you'll be rubbing shoulder with, who are these people? Quantity surveyor. You should be able to cost for your company. You should be able to, okay, we want to do this project. What are the costs that we need? Can I tease you a little? What are the cost elements? Cost elements that you know. Eh? Cost elements. You know it. Materials. Eh? That's when you are building. Materials. Labor.
Please make sure that
Abi?
all documents are required.
No, I've told you initially that we are not writing exams, but we just be, rubbing minds together. Okay? And of course, taxation. So Ican will be grooming you to become a tax practitioner. So, ladies and gentlemen, those are the three stages that we have in Ican. If I ask you in all the stages, how many exams are you writing? How many papers are you writing in all? 12. 4 in each stage. All right. Now, the beauty of this exam is what I'm about to show you now. Do you know that, yes, my chairman, of course you remember, as I speak with you, we have a 17-year-old boy that is a chartered accountant in Nigeria today. A 17-year-old. How old are you, sir?
16.
And you?
15.
And you? 16. Is there anybody 17 here? 17 here. All right, beautiful. We have 17. All right, thank you. Your friend, hello, who is the 17? Beautiful. Your friend is a chartered accountant today and is 17-year-old. And simply because he actually went through the program you are going through now. That's what we call it, catch them young. All of you are still 16, 15, 16. Before you get to 20, even 19, you can become like my chairman here. And another beauty of our profession is if you become a chartered accountant today, if this boy becomes a chartered accountant today, what will he be? How will you call him? Can you hear that? You now be a colleague to my own chairman here. Put your hands together for her. That's it. No discrimination in Ican. If you qualify today, even as you are seated here, I've started calling you my colleague. That's one thing about us here. All right. Is that okay? All right. So the examinations, we have 2 diets. That is why the other boy I was referring to, 17-year-old, was able to become a chartered accountant at 17 years. Look at this. Listen to this, everybody. 2 diets to write 8 years. We call it diets. That is March diet and what? Assuming after your WAEC now, you register. When are they writing WAEC, ma? Next year, and the result will come out. Okay, let's go by our own. September next year. By then you'll be, who is 15? You. By then you'll be 16. Okay. What's your name? I didn't get that. Taiwo Ayoku. Ayoku. Oh, I love that name. Taiwo will be 16 next year. At the same time, his result will be out. Taiwo, I put it to you. If you register for this exam, that September, you may not be able to write. That's September 2025. March 2026, you start. Bam. You clear ATS1 in March. September diet, ATS2. That gives you what? 1 year. That's 2026. You go to 2027 and you write your ATS3. Meaning that if you are that serious, you can achieve this certificate in 1.5 years. Are you getting me? 1.5 years. You've not seen anything. By the time you get to the benefit of this examination, that's when you see the importance of what you are carrying. It is the ATS certificate. So I'm saying that, and I'm putting it to you. What's your name? Here today. By the time you finish your exams and you register for these exams, in less than 2 years, precisely, let me say 1 year and 6 months, you are ATS certified. Are we together, everybody? All right. And like I told you, all the papers as you have seen, they are what? Sorry, ma. They are what? They are what? Like your Indomie. So we have 2 diets. How many diets do we have? 2 diets. All right. Let's move on. Award of ATS certificate. Upon completion of all the stages, what are the stages? Yes. What will happen? You are thereafter awarded ATS certificate. Okay? Once you finish all those stages, comprising of 12 papers, you will be awarded that certificate. Look at something we put down there. Do you know that ATS certificate is equivalent to National Diploma, OND? Can you see? Are you seeing the beauty now? When you finish these exams, that certificate that you are holding, it's equivalent to OND. So meaning that you have scaled through OND. You will not need to go to Polytechnic again to go and get OND certificate. It's equivalent. We are not there yet. You see more of the benefit. So we are here now. We call this one benefit of that certificate. This certificate, after writing all the stages, what am I even going to use the certificate for? What's the importance of this certificate? Okay, let's go. Direct entry to part 2 in all universities in countries where ATS examination is what? Taken. Can you see? Is that not beautiful for you? Is that not beautiful? Are you with me at all? Is that not fine? Okay, maybe you don't. Let me explain that. What they're saying here is, immediately you have your certificate, that document that you have with you, okay? You can use it to gain admission into university to level 2, 200 level, where your colleagues are still waiting. Abi, they are still waiting for almighty what? Almighty what? Almighty jam. You've gone. You're on the fastest lane. and not only in ordinary, I mean, what's the level 1, Abi? 100 level, not only 100 level. You've catapulted yourself to 200 level with that certificate. Is that not important to you? Huh? That's one of the benefits. Are you noting them? All right, thank you. Look at this too. Another benefit, direct entry to higher national diploma, that is HND1, in all polytechnics in countries where this ATS is taken. That is, while your other colleagues are still waiting for OND, you have the ATS certificate. You can also use same if you want to go to polytechnic. They will not admit you to ND. You catapult yourself to HND, and that is HND1. Is that not fine for you, my people? Huh? Very fine. Thank you. So let's go to another benefit. Aha. Look at this one. At your level, the exams of Ican that you can take is ATS. When you graduate from ATS, you have your certificate, you can now move to the professional level. But there's another beauty. There's another beauty of that ATS certificate, and that's one of it. Exemptions in all subjects in foundation examinations of Ican professional exams. By the time you finish your ATS, that certificate will help you in writing the professional exams of Ican. And the professional, let me see. All right, let me fast forward to this point. The professional exams, it's also 3 stages. But for now, I just use this as a reference to that second benefit, okay? The professional exam also have 3 stages. We call it foundation, skills, and professional. But because you, all of you here, okay? Because you already have your ATS certificate, you have an advantage to do what? To skip this foundation. That's why they crossed out subject. Those are the subjects we have in foundation. You will be exempted. You will not write foundation. You will move to skills. These are the subjects you have there: financial accounting, management, information, business management and finance, and business law. You remember in ATS 1, you saw that business law there. You've done it. Your uncle that is in university now, studying whatever subject, when he comes out and he wants to take these exams, he's going to write this. You are not going to write. Okay? So that's another benefit of that. This is the second one for part 2 of the professional, not your own now. Okay? That is, by the time you also get to the professional exams, you are exempted in foundation, and this is the next stage, which is skills. Look at another beauty of this one. There are 5 subjects here. In this level, you also be exempted in what? Taxation and public sector accounting, which you have done in your ATS. Your uncle, your brother, or whoever that are presently in university are still coming back to write all this. Why waste time after your secondary school? Why waste time? Immediately register for these exams and continue to eat your Indomie. All right, don't forget, we're not talking about your Indomie, but we are just likening it with how cheap the exam A. So that's what I want to show you. And finally, in that professional level, look at the subjects that you have. Of course, we will not exempt you in these ones. This is what will make you that professional. Professional don't give excuse. Professional don't give excuse. That's what Ican is training you to become. So let's go back to that, our benefits again. This is where we're here, right? Yeah. Exemptions in foundation, like I've shown you, the subjects in the professional level. Let's take another one. Okay, I've also discussed this. Exemption in 2 papers in skills. Exemption in 2 papers in skills. Examinations of Ican exams. Okay? So, can you see the beauty of ATS now? Can you see the beauty? All right. Okay. Another benefit of ATS certificate, employment as desk officer in any commercial bank. Not only commercial bank, with that certificate that you are holding, I said it's equivalent to what? OND. As I speak to you, there are OND holders in my office. There are OND holders in your school. Am I correct to say that? Are you saying there are no OND holders in your school? Ma, in your office, do we have OND holders? So, why waste your time? Start immediately. Luckily for you, your teachers here, they've already wet the ground for you. They've taken you through many of the commercial subjects. All these are the same in ATS, with exception of few, like the auditing, like the quantitative analysis that you saw the other time. Not only in commercial bank, in any organization. And the beauty of accounting profession is, if you like, let heaven fall. As long as this earth remains, there will always be job for accountants. Who say yes? Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. There will always be job for you. Is it that you are employed, or you even employ? There will always be job for you. So with your OND, with your ATS, you can gain, employment anywhere in the world. Now, look at another one. This one is saying another benefit of the certificate, gainful employment into the public service of federal government and sub-nationals with your OND. Our father at Abuja, who is our father there? President Tinubu can give you job. I like this boy. Say yes, sir. Beautiful you. That's what we're saying. You can gain employment in federal government establishments and other sub-nationals. When we say sub-nationals, we're talking about the state governments and the local governments. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm also happy to inform you. Look at Ican. Look at the way they structure their examinations. They are not only grooming you to gain employment or to have benefit for yourself only in private sector, also in public sector. Coincidentally, the group organizing this event for you is what? Public sector, public service sector chapter. All of us that you are seeing here, including my honorable chairman, she's presently working in the public service of Lagos State. Put your hands together for her. Thank you. Thank you. Meaning that I've also gone through all those exams, and there's a particular subject that is tailored towards you if you actually want to work in public sector. And that is what? I love this girl. Public sector accounting. Ican is seeing ahead. You might decide to work in public sector. So when you get there as an accountant, you don't give excuse. you know what to do already. You might decide to work as an auditor. You don't give excuse. We have trained you in auditing. You might decide to work in a... All right, thank you. Okay, let's move. And again, that certificate, once you are employed in the public sector, you are starting from grade level 7. Grade level 7. Your uncle, your brother that is coming with BSc, they are starting from what level? Level 8. Look at the almighty 8 years certificate. Quickly, we've done this, we've done this, we've done this. All right. Before I take this, technicals. Okay. Give me the question stuff. Okay. At this point, I want to pause. Any question for me? Yes. Thank you. My brother, come and give my colleague a microphone. Before we go to the... Oh yeah, quickly. You tell us your name and your school. Speak up. That mic is something else. Okay, you can give him my own. Give him my own. Speak on, speak on. Let me come close to you. Give him this.
My name is Ajay Emmanuel. I'm from Okia Senior Grammar School. My question is that before you take the exam, you there give like lesson, lesson or a book?
Emmanuel. Let me see. All right. Yes. Thank you so much, Emmanuel. I like this guy too. Hey, these 8 years that you say we should write. Are we going to have, what's your name, ma? Are we going to have our teacher, Mrs. Fetuga, to teach us all this subject? Emmanuel, and all of us in the house, please relax. Ican will not leave you alone. By the time you finish your secondary school, yes, you are outside there. As I speak with you, there are over 100, more than 100 tuition centers recognized by Ican. Where do you stay? Where's your house? Okera. I put it to you. By the time in the documents that we're giving you, you can Google Ican site. You will find a tuition center that is close to your house. Okay? So you don't need to run a Tescator very close to you. You will find that tuition center in anywhere in Nigeria. In anywhere in Nigeria, even in West Africa. So there are already tuition center that you can attend. Any other question? Yes. Pass the mic to her. And I have another person there. Here first.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is...
I didn't get your name. Ahmed, speak on. Never mind. Speak on.
My question is...
Beautiful question. How can we register? I love this class. Meaning that some people have already making up their mind to start theirs. I will come for your question. I will come for your own too. How can we register for the exams? I told you that this document, excuse me, this document that you have here, what did I call it the other time? An asset. If you flip to the back, as small as it is, all information you need about this event or 8 years, it's written there already. But let me also say, to answer your question, your name again? Okay. To answer your question again, it is very simple. This is your age, the Gen Z, Abi, the IT compliant people. past in those days, look at chairman and the I table. They used to run to Ican office to register. But hello, you can register for Ican online. All you need to do is the document that we've given you, the Ican site is there. Just go to the site and browse the site. You will see all the information. You've seen it. Beautiful. You will see all the information to register for this course. Yes, your question, my boy. Are you the one?
You have to write 8 years before writing icon. You have to write the 8 years exam before you can write icon.
You have to write 8 years before writing ICAM. Let me correct you a little. Hello, what's your name? Say it to me. I didn't get that. Okay. See, the 8 years we are talking about, hello, the 8 years we're talking about here, it's ICAN examinations. Exam conducted by Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria. ICAN is an institute. It's a body, okay? It's a body, the leading body regulating accounting profession in Nigeria, okay? So writing 8 years, it's also by ICAN. Then writing ICAN exam. So maybe what you want to say is 8 years is for your level. Then the professional level, which I showed you, it's also a higher level to become a chartered accountant. Now, let me also add, I've told you the other time that your 8 year certificate will take you to write the professional exam, those 3 stages that I told you about. That's when you are now certified as a chartered accountant. Yes. I have plenty of questions.
All right, my name is Ajayi Gift from Basatwa Millennium Senior Grammar School. So when you were talking, you mentioned about direct entry. If you have 8 years, can we have direct entry to another course apart from accounting, like economist or banking and finance?
That's also a nice one. Yes. Ajayi, maybe you don't know how heavy that certificate you are carrying is. Maybe you don't know. With all the benefits I've read out to you now, where do you want to carry your 8 years to go and write another? Are you with me, my people? Why do you want to carry it to go and write another? When you have all those benefits that I've taken you through. Without your certificate, you can write the professional exams. You can have again admission into second level. That's what I'm saying. You can actually write, find yourself in other management courses. But I'm telling you that certificate is too much for you to carry it and start writing insurance. Oh, you understand? But honestly, you can actually write. We are not going to leave here today. See the paper they gave me. My chair. Your children are asking more questions. I'm done already anyway. I should go ahead. Oh yeah, come and give them the mic.
My name is Diroja Idolapo from Basatwa Millennium Senior Grammar School. So my question is, in the ATS1, for example, we're writing 4 papers now. So out of the 4 papers, maybe I passed 3 papers. In any one, I failed one. Do I still have the advantage to write the last paper, or is that the end of the exam for the person?
My people, this exam we are talking about is what? It's like you will not fail any. You will not fail any. Okay? None of you will fail any by the time you start. But ladies and gentlemen, our teachers are here. Teacher, even fail. Now exam. Even fail, Abi. That's why you are there. Failure is what? Correction. You will see them when they are writing on the board. They will say, correction. If you don't fail, you will not be corrected. Okay? But to your question, assuming in ATS 1, you wrote 4 papers, you passed 3. Ican will give you the 3. But you cannot move to ATS 2 until you pass that remaining 1. And let me also make you laugh a little. The pass mark in Ican is 50. Shebi, I told you it's just like your pass mark is what? You are surprised. Okay, your question. So you can see that you can never fail.
Okay. My name is Akin Badiandola Lua David. So I'm from Bafafuma Millennium Senior Grammar School. My question goes that how are we going to pay the money for the ATS? And second, you said that if you are writing the ICANN professional exam, that you will not write some examination, but there's auditing and assurance there. Why are we writing it? Because we have written it in ATS 3 already. So why are we writing it again?
What's your first question? How are you going to pay? I've said it the other time. Every other information that you need, time will not permit us. Time will not permit, because when you close from here, you are going back to school before you start going home. Okay? But yes. Okay. Okay. Ajayi, you are so lucky. The high table wants to answer your question. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, everyone. Mr. Master Ajayi, right? My future professional colleague. That was a very good, a very valid question you asked. I mean, you asked. And the answer to it is the auditing that you saw in the ATS is like the start of the audit studies in ICANN. The one that you will see in the professional, that's is an advanced audit. So it's at different points that, that one, the first one was like introductory. Yeah, they're introducing you to audit. So then when you now get to professional, you will write the more advanced examinations to qualify you as a future accountant. Thank you.
Put your hands together for the high table now. I think we are done over there. Oh, I will come there. I'll come there. The chairman has given us more time. Yes.
My name is Ojo Elijah, and I'm from Okwebi Senior Grammar School. And my question is, are there any limitations to the ATS certificate?
Well, when you have benefits, the guy is asking, is there a limitation? As far as ICANN examination is concerned, there is no limitation. And when you say limitation, I don't actually understand, because age, is the age you are talking about? Nothing, no disadvantage as far as professional exams is concerned. As you are, if you finish your secondary school at age 15, all we need is your WAEC results. And in your WAEC, 5 subjects: English, maths, and other 3. Did you hear that? Other 3. So meaning that even science people in your class, in your school rather, can write these exams. The major one we need is English, mathematics, and 3 other subjects. You can start your ATS. Oh, yeah. Question. Okay, over there. Okay. And I think this will be the last question. so that you can be on your way. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Akombi Alia. I'm from Victory High School. I want to ask a question. After I've written my exams and I've gained admission into the university, can I still continue the course?
Wow, nice one. Nice one. Yes, you have finished your ATS. Which one? You finish your secondary school. Then you now gain admission. You've not started this. You've started. Oh. Aisha, what do you call him? Aliyah. Another thing I forgot to tell you is that what Aliyah told me now. You have finished your secondary school. You have started ATS. You equally gain admission, not through ATS. My sister, continue your ATS. When you get to your university, you will be number one. Because all these things that we have told you is what they are going to teach you in university. You just be dusting it. You just be dusting it. Let me also add for you. By the time you start with all these subjects and your tuition centers, in Ican examinations, there is nothing like we don't cover syllabus. All the courses in the syllabus will be covered. So you don't have anything to fear. Okay? Continue with it while you are doing your university stuff. This ATS will even help you. Any, what do they call it now? Question they give you in university, bring it to your class, your ATS class. Your lecturer will dissect it. Even without them dissecting it for you, you will have enough knowledge to solve those questions. Put your hands together for this, my sister. So, ladies and gentlemen, quickly. Let's look at this. We are writing exams. Oh yeah, read this for me. Quickly. The basic form of accounting started with... Give me the answer. No time. Started with... Again? Is that correct? Beautiful. Clap for yourself. Let's go to this. Which of the following is not a characteristic of business? Oh yeah. Answer is, just tell me A, B, C, D. Which one? Which of the following is not a characteristic of business? What do you say? A. And A says what? It is a social service to the public. What they are asking you there is, for you to start a business, are you there for a charity? It's for what? To make profit. So all other B, C to D are characteristics of, okay? Let's go. Can I call somebody to answer this? No, all of us, let's answer it. Which one? I didn't get that. Hey, don't fall my hand now, accountant. Which of the following is not added to adjusted balance as per cash book? When you are preparing your adjusted cash book, you want to prepare your bank reconciliation statement, balance as per unpresented. Let's go. Which of the following shows a list of balances in the books of accounts? Hey, let's go. Talk to me. Which of the following books of original entries record good spots on credit? Thank you. Which of the following source document is issued for goods sold in cash? Thank you. Oh yeah, let's go. In bank reconciliation statement, a check presented after 6 months is known as stale check. The body responsible for the registration of companies in your country is Eh? Oh yeah, don't chorus. If you know it, raise up your hand. Yes, talk to me.
It's the Corporate Affairs Commission.
Give your hands to him, please. Corporate Affairs Commission. And this one, accounting concepts, which assumes that an entity has a perpetual succession, is called going concern. All right, let's take the last one. Which of the following is a fundamental problem of every society? Ladies and gentlemen, my chairman, I present to you professional chartered accountants in the making. I tell you, my people, you can see what I have here. The source of those questions is what? All those questions we just ask ourselves, we got them from the past questions of the exam we are introducing to you. It's so cheap. You can see all of us chorus the answer. It's just because of time. That's why we just, pick those few ones. So technicals, take me to the slide quickly so that I can drop the mic. Oh, thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, the 15th chairman of Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, Lagos State Public Service Chapter, in person of Mrs. Akinshola Florence, here seated, is giving us this charge. Look at her picture. She is the one actually charging us now. This is the charge to all of us. Okay. I'm not going to read this, and I want this, my colleague here. Could you please stand up and come to the front? Thank you. Put your hands together for him. Yes. Look at the board there. You are now standing for the chairman. You want to shake? Okay. Yes. Thank you. You are standing in position of chairman. Thank you. Do like this. Do like this. You are reading and you are looking at them as you read. You are charging them. Oh, you are read.
Okay, the charge. Great ambassadors of schools here present. I charge you to make up your mind to register and start Ican ATSWA examination immediately after your WAEC result is out to take advantage of the immense benefits therein. Thank you very much.
Put your hands together for him. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. So that's the charge from the chairman. The chairman is charging all of us with what you've listened to here. Please, at the end of your WAEC and immediately the result is out, don't wait any minute longer. Register for these exams to take the benefits therein. So many benefits that we have read out for you today. Do I have a witness in the house? How many of us are taking this charge? How many of us are writing the exams after? Let me see your hands up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I also want to encourage the teachers. You can actually guide them in this direction, okay? And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your kind attention. Put your hands together for yourself. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. We are almost ending the program, but the next on the agenda, it's okay. My chair, sir. Can we take reaction from student and teacher? Maybe one teacher. All right. At this point, the next on the agenda is reaction from students and teachers. So we just want our teachers to come out and speak a little to what we have shared with our students. Just, yes, sir, you can come, sir. Thank you, sir. Put your hands together for him. So under 1 minute, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
The chairman, other members of the high table, the great accountants that have put this together for the benefit of the students. I think I have to commend the Keja chapter of the Institute of a Chartered Accountant for this very beautiful outing. It has been a shift from what it used to be, because I could remember that about a year ago, this very chapter was in my school for this kind of a training. So for what you have done today, it has afforded more students a better population to benefit from this great gesture. And I pray that as you do this, your chapter will continue to wax stronger and stronger. And to the students as a body, I'm addressing you, your mind in particular, to the attendant benefits of these great opportunities. And I wouldn't want you to be selfish about it. 10 students per school. You are not here today for yourself alone. You are here in representative capacity. This information will be better passed by you because you can draw your colleagues better than we, the teachers. So we are expecting you to do justice to this information by passing it to your other colleagues that are not opportune to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And that's a beautiful one. Of course, I think he took that from my mouth. All of you here, you are just 10 from the whole lot. You are, of course, ambassadors of your school. Please and please, when you get back to school, tell the principal that the chairman said you should replicate this event in your school. It could be on the assembly. They could give you 10 minutes. It could be in your hall. Pass the same information to your colleagues so that they also can benefit from it. All right, can I invite a student to do the same thing? Anybody, a student? Just feel free to come. Come and speak to your colleagues about what to listen to. Or do you want me to call anybody? Oh yeah, now. Are you raising your hand? Are you raising your hand? Are you raising your hand? Okay. Oh yeah, my colleague. My teacher, sir. My teacher. Please give me anybody in your school. I'm talking to you, sir. Okay. Someone is. No, my chairman is saying something. Is it him? Okay. You can come. Put your hands together for him.
Thank you. So I want to thank the board of Ican Lagos State Chapter for inviting my school and everybody here. I want to thank you guys because this is a great opportunity. And as he said at the beginning of the program, knowledge is good and information is good. And this is going to help a lot of us in our respective careers. It's going to put us on the right path to reach new horizons. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. And quickly, please get ready. Let me take you from this school. Brace up. The first school, please, you have 1 minute to do this. Come with your packs, your bag. Come and have a group photograph with the chairman. The time is fast spent. Please, my phone is somewhere there. Oh yeah, quickly. Just go with your pack. So the baby. Oh yeah. The committee, you can come to the front for photographs. Committee members, yes. No, they should go up. The students should go up. The students should go up. Up. Oh yeah, quickly, quickly, quickly. The other school, get ready. Then all other students, please get ready with your bag. Leave other things on your table and your bag. My chair. My chair. They say you should come this way, sir. Oh yeah, just move like this. Abby? So that the video can pick. The pillar is obstructing. The other school, please rise and come here. Please rise and come to this side. All right, the photographer, are we ready? Please, we have just 30 seconds to do this with this. What's the name of your school? So we have Babs far from right here. All right, you can come down, step down. Hey, easy, man. Oh, yeah. The other school should go up. Quickly, 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 quickly. Next school. Next school. Please stand by here. Oh, okay, okay. So, hello, hello. Arrange yourself very well.
Just bring out your bags.
Yeah,
Bring your bags. So let them see. So that the camera will...
All right, let's take it. Younger. Go there, go there. Behind your teacher. No, behind your teacher, you are tall. Teacher, come to the front. All right, thank you. Okay, let's go. Let's go. What's the name of your school? Agidingbi Senior Grammar School. Step up, quickly, quickly. Oh yeah. Come with your bags and go up. Okwebi, sorry. Agidingbi. Go up. Thank you. Have you snapped that school there? That school behind? Have you? Oh yeah, stand up. Come and stand by here. Quickly, quickly. All right, next school. Go up. Quickly, quickly, be smart. Be smart. The Gen Z. Okay. Agidingbi. You can sit at that side. Here. There, over there. So that they can finish the photograph. Grace High School. Grace, on standby, please. Yeah, let's go, sir. All right, Grace High School, step up. Grace. Oh yeah, be fast, so that you can get back to school. Mbari Mbayo, on standby, please. Are we said, quickly. All right, thank you. Mbari Mbayo, step up. Grace, kindly step down. Thank you. Watch your steps there. Bagada High School, on standby here. Quickly. Oh yeah, you'll be on standby. On standby. Is it Bagada High School? All right. Elijah, what's the name of the school? Okay, right. What's the name of the school? Immaculate.
Okay, so the shuttle. And then rent your bag.
The teacher should come to the front too. Let the teacher be here. Mommy, be here in the midst there. In the middle, yeah. Where is the district? Oh, she's there. Beautiful. Thank you. All right. All right, you can step down. Bagada High School. Mbario. Oh. Okay, Ra. Sorry, pardon me. Immaculate, you can also get set. Okay, Ra, go there and be on standby. Thank you. No, sir. Come, sir. Oh, yeah. So after this one, your school will go. All right, are we ready? Okay. All right, sir. All right, you can step down. Okay, Ra. Thank you. Watch your steps. Immaculate. Come and be on standby here. We have 2 schools, Abi. Omole. Oh, national. 3 schools. What's in school? Victory. Okay. Omole. Omole, oh yeah, stand up. Just pass like that. See where they are staying. Huh? Hey, teacher. Teacher, it's okay. Teacher, it's okay. All right, thank you. And this is no. This Immaculate. I thought it's this too. Immaculate. Oh yeah, be fast, be smart. Thank you. Oh yeah, move closer. The next school over there. Oh yeah, come and be on standby here. In fact, the 2 schools. Oh yeah, you move fast. Move on. Okay. All right. Just put it like that. It's fine. Oh yeah, let's go photo. All right, thank you, Immaculate. And Omole High School. Omole Senior Grammar School. You can step up. Oh yeah, let's make it snappy. Oh yeah, Omole, be fast, be snappy. Thank you. Just change it to the icon. Oh yeah. This way. My sister, don't carry it. Wear it like this.
About John 5.
Oh my God. Okay, because
All right. Okay. Move to the front. All right, thank you, Omole. And I have National College close to my house. Thank you, National College. All right. Oh, yes, sir. Are you National? National College? Okay, hold on. Thank you. Don't just wear it in front. Where the people at the front wear it like that, like this. Thank you. All right. Okay. Change it to icons. Oh. Wear it like this. Like it's so. Okay. Oh yeah, we are set. Let's go, sir. Let's go, sir. All right, thank you. And finally, we have Victory Group of Schools. You can march forward. Thank you, Victory. Thank you. Thank you. Victory Groups of School. All right. You can move on now. Thank you. All right. Why is there a teacher? Just be at the middle. Thank you. See her here. Hope you are not obstructing now. You've come to the front. Just where you like. No, only one. No. You're fine. Where you just manage to do it like this. Okay. All right, thank you so much. Hold on. Let's go, hold on. No, 3. Okay, I think I can do that. 1, 2, 3. Go up quickly. Hey, hold on. You hold on. Go up. Sit down. 3, pick 3. Teachers, please pick 3 representative of your school. Pick 3. Pick 3. Yes, with teachers. 3 each. Teacher. Wọn lè gbé wọn kò sí tó máa gbé manage. Kò sí tó máa. That means Grace Ambassadors, you can come down, the 3. What's the name of your school? My sister here. Your school, Bagada Senior Girls School. Okay. Your school, 3. Okay. Oh yeah, that's fine. Grace, come this way. Grace, you are squatting. Grace, come over. Okay. The 3 of you. Oh yeah. Amole, this way. Amole. Okay. Abika Losheni Tani. Photographer. Okay. What school is this? Okera. Oh yeah. Go behind them there. Okera. Shine teacher. Emma Boda. Yeah, Edropal teacher. Are you showing there? Fine. Which 2? Is it okay? Is the guy okay here? Okay. Yeah. Everybody said cheese. Cheese. Please. All right, thank you. Great ambassadors of schools here present. All right, the next. No, gift. Mrs. Aishat, gift. Quickly. Jókòó.
List of name more than.
All right, in our own usual way, at this point, I invite the 15th chairman of the chapter for the presentation of gifts to the school. Of course, we know you are all from far and near, but okay. You stay here, you give it to her. All right. Can I invite the teacher of Bagada Senior Grammar School to come forward to receive? Please put your hands together for her as she comes. Okay. Thank you so much. All right, Babs, Fafunwa Millennium School, please, let's add a twist to it. As you are coming, come with a student. Come with a student. With a student. Babs, Fafunwa. That's from Ican, Lagos State Public Service Chapter. All right. Agidingbi Senior School. It's okay. Come with a student, man. All right, thank you. Grace School, Grace High School. Please, the teacher to come with a student. That's Grace High School. Thank you. That's from us to you. Omole Senior Grammar School. Omole Senior Grammar School. Please come with a student. All right. Thank you. Omole Senior High School. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. All right, thank you. National College, Bagada. National College, Bagada. Please come with a student. Come with a student. All right. Okwebi Senior Grammar School. Okwebi Senior Grammar School, please come with a student. All right. Thank you, ma. And thank you. That's from Ican Lagos State Public Service Chapter to you. Thank you. Congratulations. Okay, Senior Grammar School. Okay, Senior Grammar School. Thank you for coming. Over there, sir. Over there. Thank you so much, Okera Grammar School. Ikeja Senior High School. Ikeja Senior High School, please come with a student. Thank you. You are snapping. All right. Thank you. Immaculate Hearts. Immaculate. The teacher should please come with a student. And Bagada Senior School, you are repeating your photographs. You are coming with a student. Bagada, you can come after this. Come with a student. Let's have a repeat of that. Elijah, we are come. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Mbari Mbayo Secondary School. Please, the teacher should please come with. Thank you. Thank you for the accolades. All right, and Victory Groups of School. Victory Groups of School. Thank you. That's the last one. And yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, children, I hope you've enjoyed yourself. Do you have something to take away from here? Do you have something to take away from here? Please, like Okera, teacher said, you are actually the ambassadors of your school. You are cascading these events to your colleagues in the school. Let them also share from the knowledge you have received today. At this point, we have come to the close of this event. As I invite, thank you. And before I call on the immediate past chairman of our chapter, Mrs. Akinola, please tell the principals that we appreciate them. Mrs. Akinola, the IPC, for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, everyone. Okay. Good afternoon. My distinguished ESCO member, the chairman of the chapter, and of course, our distinguished guests, our future professional colleagues. First of all, I'd like to give honor and adoration to God for making this day to come to pass. It's by His grace that we are all here today. So we give Him all the glory. Then I move on to give a special thanks to our AGPS, that's the Accountant General and Permanent Secretary, State Treasury Office, for always being there, for his unflinching support, particularly in the use of this auditorium. We appreciate you, sir. We thank you. God bless you and keep you well for us. Also, special thanks goes to the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, our great institute, for all the gifts that you are taking away from the institute to continue to support this program for all the districts and chapters. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. And the institute will continue to fly higher in Jesus' name. Special thanks also goes to the ESCO of this enviable chapter, Lagos State Public Service Chapter. I want to appreciate everyone for having put this together. It's quite a great task, but we thank God, and I want to appreciate them for all this, particularly the Kadem Young Committee, all the committee members. We appreciate you. We thank you. We appreciate all that you have done to make this program possible. God bless you all in your various endeavors. Of course, I won't forget our schools present here today. On behalf of Lagos State Public Service Chapter, I also extend our deepest appreciation to all the schools present and the teachers. We appreciate your answering our call, and which made you to be part of this program today. And I also want to say that I want to believe that all our professional colleagues, the future accountants, you've all had a take or two from this program. And we pray that as you go forth, the knowledge shared will continue to be with you and serve as guide whenever you need to make a decision concerning the program today in your future endeavors. Lastly, I also want to thank our media. We appreciate you always, Mr. Mike and Co. Thank you for always being there and for a wonderful job. And well, like the program has ended. Okay. Lest I forget, Mrs. Olorunyomi Emo from our District 6. We appreciate you, Ma, for being part of us. We thank you so much for setting aside all other things to be here. Thank you and God bless you. And for all of us as we move from here, we pray that God goes with us, take us back to our various destinations, safe and sound in Jesus' name. Okay, to our ambassador and future accountants, I say we look forward to seeing you at the top. We wish you all the best. And in your coming final exams, which is the WAEC and every other exams, we wish you successful. And we look forward to having you on board as chartered accountants. Thank you very much. And God bless you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We look forward to having you as professional chartered accountants like the chapter chairman over there. Thank you so much. Please put your hands together for yourselves again. And like she said, we have come to the end of this program. You are taking something special away back to your principal and to your colleagues in school. Cascade these events to your colleagues. Let them also be aware of the program of ATS. Congratulations. Can you give high five to 3 people beside you and tell them congratulations? Congratulations. Congratulations. And congratulations. On that note, before we close, yes, that's fine. That's fine. So my colleagues here, let us also inform you that the program you just had now was online. The whole world were actually watching you. So let's quickly recognize some of our colleagues that are in the office. If you have invited them, this place wouldn't have contained us. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we recognize you, those online. Mr. Salami Nosiru, Oluwatobi Oyebisi, Okesanya Oluwakemi, Bakari Ajibola, Lawal Muftahu, Adediba Alice. Put your hands together for them. Adediba Alice, Saminu Raji, and the host of others that I cannot continue to mention. We appreciate you for staying online with us. Thank you so much, and congratulations to all of us. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we have actually come to the end. Let's rise as we take the closing remarks. From the technicals, we have the national anthem, the Ican anthem, and after that, we invite, I think we should do the closing prayer before the national anthem. Okay, let's go, technicals. Let's go, the prayers. O God of all creation, grant this our one request. Help us to build a nation where no one is oppressed. And so with peace and plenty, Nigeria shall be blessed. The national anthem, please.
Standing stronger in harmony, building our way together. Dreams of a mountain, always we are striving to attain. Our roads and values that we share through all ages be sustained. Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria. Noble Ican, noble Ican, your accuracy we cherish. We uphold your integrity.
Thank you so much. Put your hands together for yourself. Thank you. Thank you. You can do better than, I can't hear you from here. You can do better than that. You can do better than that. And finally, before you go, make sure you interact with yourself. That's what we call networking. Greet yourselves, interact. School A should interact with School B. Thank you. Wishing you safe journey back home. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you want to snap our banner, you can do so. If you want to snap with your schools and everybody, you can come and do that. Snap it and let.